Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a new feature and it's the recess radio and it is for dogs and it says are like silver and this is a coral pink. Next item in the set are these really cute leggings. And they're, well, the camera makes them a little bit brighter, but they're really just like purplish bluish. And they look way cuter in person. On either side, it has this little coral lineup, and this is the back, and the American Girl tag is right in there. And the last item in the set, this has to be my favorite item in the set, are these really cute shoes. And they're just like gray shoes, and they unvelcro, and you can slide your doll's foot in. So it's super cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!